I'm at the chain bridge and it's so stunning. I literally can't believe how beautiful this is. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the Budapest vlog. Cheers. So I'm in the Museum of Light Arts. There's like a lot of these light installations. So I'm going to be trying Budapest's most famous sweet, which is Chimney Cake. It's really good. I'll also review once I get to the cake itself. Okay, we're going on the river cruise. It's so exciting. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. They have like a really cool like slate plate which I've never seen before. Okay, so we're trying traditional Hungarian langos. Which is,
good pronunciation.
Yeah, which is this. It's good?
Very good.
It's nice.
I like the bread is very fluffy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very airy.
No idea.
Oh, it's so cool. Finished the thermal baths and honestly I could have spent all day there. It was amazing and it's like definitely worth all the hype it gets. It actually looks like sambar.
I know, yeah.
It's nice.
It's good. But there's like one spice I can taste that I don't know the name of. That's a little strong, but otherwise it's pretty good.
I'm in City Park and this place is freaking massive. I think you can like, if you walk all around, you can probably spend like half a day. It has like so many museums, castles, there's boating, there's like 30 things to do here. It's crazy. It's the last day in Budapest. I'm going to Normafa Park, which is like a little away from the city, but apparently you get like a really nice view of the whole city. Why do I keep picking activities that involve a really long step climbing thing? Okay guys, we made it.